I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-in-1 griddle press. I mean, this is amazing. This has so much things to it. It's about 10 inches on the outside. It has this cool touch here, right here, so you can actually grab it. Now I've had this on and you can see it is currently heating because this light is on. You've got your power button right back here in the very back of it that you can just turn it on and off whenever you're using it. But I've had this on for a little while and it opens up this nice 90-degree angle. And I mean, you put this on here and it's already 353 degrees. It's got the nice searing all the way around there with about close to an inch. So you have plenty of room. Oh, listen to that sizzle. To be able to put your different items. So I've got a little grilled cheese on here. You've got the nice little grill marks on there. And then you can just close that up and both the top and the bottom are both heating up. So I don't have to come in here and flip it. I don't have to do anything. Now you can just put on your oil before you do it. So that helps with sticking. But we're gonna let this cook and we'll check it out. All right, I've let this thing cook for a little bit and I did flip it over because I've got real thin bread. So with that inch covering, it didn't quite hit the top of there. But I mean, look at that. That looks so nice. The other side of it, that was the one that was up, but it did still get some brownie. If you did have like that Texas toast or a bigger burger or something like that that you're wanting to heat up, it'd be great. You can see it's super non-stick. And the top, I love how I can just grab that. Then whenever you're done, you've got your power button right over here. You can just simply turn it off, unplug it, and store it because it's a nice small size to be able to keep in your kitchen for any use.